Yep, fun though it is, it's time for this to go. Good afternoon everyone, welcome to another video. Today is day 773 in this. Mileage at the moment 35,572, so I've done 25,500 miles since I got this. Recently I've been working on a video about what makes the M140i so special, what makes this such a good car. What I've come to realise and what makes this car special to me, and it's the only thing that makes this car special to me, is simply that it's rear-wheel drive. And that's led me to realise that much as I've tried to convince myself otherwise, I just don't love this car. Let's be in no doubt here, it is a great car. It's a fantastic one, a unique package. It's so capable of so many things, as a daily, as a track car. When driven just for fun, which is all I do now really, since I've been working from home for the last 9 months, when driven just for fun, for me, it fails to deliver. It's just a bit too remote. I drive this car a lot, but I drive it because I really like driving. I don't drive it because it's an exciting car to drive. I had that epiphany a couple of weeks ago, and that's what's led me to the point I'm at today, which means that the M140i is going. If anyone's interested, send me a message, let me know. I've got 2 weeks to sell it with the BMW M Performance diff fitted to it. And if I don't, then I'll be swapping it back to the standard diff and trading it in. I need some connection when I drive. I need some focus. That's what I'm missing when I drive the 140. And with a daughter who now drives, that means we've got 2 4-seater cars in the family already, which means I can consider, for the first time in my life, less practical cars. So that's exactly what I've done, and I think I've found a peach of a car. Of course, there'll be plenty more on that topic to follow. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Please give this one a thumbs up, share it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next video.